Hi everyone, welcome to Css Academy. In this video, we're going to be talking about CSS horizontal navigation bar. Let's move to the next one. The next one says gray horizontal nav bar. Here is an example of a gray horizontal nav bar with a thin gray border. So this is how it works. Where we have our UL, LI, padding, border of 1 pixel, this thing, I will give it a background color. If you want to, you can just change the color. Let's come here. So in this place, we can give it border of 1 pixel solid. Let's give it red. And background color of let's change the background color to gray. Let's change the background color to gray. We can have this. Now let's see. Can you see it has a border and we've changed the background color, but it doesn't look sweet. So let's go back. Yes, so this looks better and this looks more professional. So this is okay and this is good. Then we have right align one link. You can right align one or more links by floating the list item to the right. So in this place, we can just say use style. You want to float them to the right. The only one that you want to float to the right. So let's create an example for this right align one link. Let's come here. You know our usual. So the first thing is to use our UL, LI, anchor tag, then give me #home. Then this place will be home. Give me more. Then we'll come here LI. Yes, so give me like this. Then as well, shift head. Then now we'll come to we'll come here, we'll say body, the usual. Should have known here padding. Then we are giving it UL. Then we're styling our UL. Inside our UL, we're giving it list out type none, margin and padding. We're giving it background color and we're giving it overflow, which will be hidden. Then the next thing we want to do is we're removing this. Then the next thing we want to do is UL. Inside this UL, we want to do LI. Then inside this LI, we are giving it floating left. Then UL, LI, then we're giving it A. Then inside that, we want to say display block, color white, text align center. Then we're giving it text decoration, which is none. Text decoration, which is none. Then after that, we're going to style it. We'll say UL, LI, then A over not active. Not active, then we're giving it a color. We're not giving it this color. We're giving it color as 04. Yeah, then this is what we're giving it. Now let's check it out. So would come here. So this is going to make everything float left firstly. So I want you to see the effect. So it's made all of this float left normally. Now we'll come here. We'll come to our LI. So we want this one to float right. We'll say style. We're giving it float right. Now let's see. Can you see now? We have it at the right side. If you just want all of this here and one of this here, that is how that works. I hope you understand. So let's move to the next one. We have border divider that says add the border divider property to all the LI elements that is, except the last one, to create a link divider. So you can just add a light gray right border at the last list, except so where we have the UILI, float left, border right, 1 pixel solid, and you can do that. Let's do that. Border right, then would do the last child, UL, LI last child, that is border none. So only that won't take effect. Now let's check it out. Can you see? It's only this last child that did not take effect. So that is how that one works as well. Now let's move to the next one, which says fix navigation bar. You can make the navigation bar to stay fixed at the top or at the bottom of a page by using the position property along with the top and bottom property. So we'll do fix top and we'll do fix bottom. Now let's move to our example. So we already have this. The only thing we just need to do is to add some H1 saying fixed top navigation bar. We need some words here. We can do this and we can still do lorem. Yes. P tag, then lorem or shift F. Then after that, we can have the P tag and we'll say some text. We did something like this in the previous video. Z. Let's create multiple of this. Yeah, good. So I think this is enough. Now let's come to our style. We'll come here as usual. We are styling our body. We are styling our H1 separately. And inside this H1, we are saying margin top. We want to give our margin top 60 pixel. Then we are saying margin left of 10 pixel. Then after that we are saying H2. Do we have H2 here? No, we only did H1. So now we're saying P tag. Then inside the P tag, we're saying margin should be 10 pixel as well. Then now let's start our URL. We'll say URL as usual. Our URL, which will be list style type, which will be none, margin of 0, padding of 0. We're giving it overflow, which will be hidden, color. We're giving it position, which will be fixed. We're giving it position, which will be fixed. We're giving it top, which will be 0. Then we're as well giving it width of 100 pixel, width of 100%. Then after that, we are doing UL, LI. We're giving it float left. Then UL, LI, then anchor tag. What are we doing? Display block. Display, which will be block. We're giving it color, which will be white. Text align center. This of 14 pixel. We are giving it text decoration none. Now we are going to style it again, and we are going to style the ULLI over effects, and after that we are going to do the one for the active, that is ULLI this and active. Now let's go and style our active. So let's style our active class active. Now let's check it out. Can you see this is fixed to the top? Now it's at the top. No matter how we scroll, it is at the top. The only thing now, the next one is we'll fix it to the bottom. What do we need to do? We'll just change the top to bottom. Where we have top here, we'll change it to bottom instead. Bottom. Now let's check it out. So instead of the top, it will be at the bottom. Now can you see? So that's the difference between both of them. I hope you understand everything I've touched so far. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at Tech History Academy. See you next time. Bye.